Good morning, Amanda. And I feel like I sound like a broken record saying that we are going to see some cloud coverage and we're going to continue to see some rain throughout the region for today. We do have some spotty showers coming through early this morning, especially throughout New Brunswick. We're going to see those showers really in the eastern portion of the province. That's where we're going to see the majority of rainfall for the most part for today. Cloudy conditions with some morning rain for Prince Edward Island as well as into Nova Scotia. Now, as we take a look here, we're seeing above average highs, 9 in Fredericton, your high today, 10 in Halifax, and 7 is your high in Charlottetown. Continuing to see the rain has got my brain foggy, and that's kind of the name of the game for today. We're going to continue to see cloud coverage. We're going to continue to see some rain in our forecast as low pressure from the west actually makes its way into our region. So first and foremost, we'll tell you about this rainfall warning still in effect for Newfoundland. We are going to continue to see that into the afternoon today. Between 10 and 20 millimeters of rainfall is expected in that time frame. And as we take a look here at our current conditions, though, we are seeing warmer than average temperatures as we start our day. So normally we're looking at 4s and 5s as our highs at this time of year, but we're already seeing those numbers pretty much across the board, except, of course, up in Labrador, we're seeing a little bit cooler temperatures, much more average, especially in Labrador City. Now, we do have a little bit of fog to contend with, especially along the coastal cities, so that is going to start to dissipate throughout the course of this morning when rain moves into the region. So as we take a look here at our forecasted timeline, again, we're seeing pretty much rain cover across the board. We're going to see some flurries and some freezing rain up in Labrador, and then we're pretty much just going to be continuous scattered showers throughout most of Nova Scotia for today. We're going to see that moving into New Brunswick as well as Prince Edward Island, and of course still hanging around over in Newfoundland as well. Overnight, we're going to see some flurries coming across, a little bit of that rain-snow mix into the early hours of Friday morning before more low pressure comes in from the west, and we'll probably be experiencing a few thunderstorms with those showers coming through. But again, that is something that we'll continue to monitor. The majority of the rain for today, the accumulated rain, is going to be in that northeast portion of New Brunswick and, of course, over in Newfoundland as well. We're continuing to see that rain pour as well. As we take a look here at what our current sustained winds are, we are still contending with some of those winds, and we are going to see those gusts continuing throughout the day today as well. Mostly up to 50 kilometer per hour winds throughout the Maritimes. Could see up to 60 in certain areas, and we'll see that over in Newfoundland as well. As we take a look here, though, again, mostly above seasonal temperatures as we head throughout the day. A little bit cooler over in eastern parts of New Brunswick. We're seeing that same situation over into Prince Edward Island, Cape Breton, as well as eastern parts of Nova Scotia. Again, that rain continuing throughout the course of this morning. And we are going to continue to see that moving into the western part of Nova Scotia throughout the course of the afternoon. Taking a look over at Labrador, again, those flurries, rain, freezing rain is going to be a factor, and the rain accumulating in certain areas of Newfoundland for today as well.